Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and in this video I'm going to jump right into it. I'll be making a flying stork, so I'll start off by folding my paper in half on the diagonal and lengthways so I can make a square base. So I'll open this up to do my last fold, and then I'll show you another method of flattening it into a square. At this point you can hold that bottom edge and gently push the paper inwards like so, and you can see that it naturally flattens into a square. Make sure you've got the open end facing you for the next step. And then I'll start making a crane base, so I'll take the outside edges and fold them in towards the middle like so. Flip over and do the same on the other side. And then fold that top part down. I like to reinforce this on both sides, so I'll do that and then flip over to the other side and then do the same as well. It's kind of the key part of making the crane base, I find, reinforcing that top section. So now I'll unfold all of those flaps and I'll pull everything open to flatten down into a crane base. Flipping over to do the other side. Now I'll rotate this around so I've got the open ends facing me again. I'll take the left side and I'll fold this over. Flip over to the other side and repeat the same step here. That's all I need to do here, so I'll flip over to the other side and I'll make a diagonal fold like this so I can make an inside reverse fold. Make sure this is nice and firm. And I'll do something similar with the right section, so I'll do this on another diagonal fold so that the tail's kind of at a 90-degree angle, if that makes sense. So then I'll open this up, I'll pull the section upwards and then fold it together like so. Give it a little pinch. I like to give it a pinch, it usually helps it. And then do the same with the head. This goes up, pinch it together. Perfect. To make the head, I'll take a little section of the left tip. I'll just gently press this down and then pinch it together for a little inside reverse fold. And lastly, the wings get folded down on an angle like so. That's the flying stork. So if you'd like to use it, you can hold on to the bottom of the base, and then if you hold the tail and give it a little pull, it flies. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!